The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's most advanced fighter aircraft, designed to compete with the American F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. It is a fifth-generation, twin-engine stealth fighter created by Sukhoi, under the POC-FA program, and produced by the United Aircraft Corporation. The jet integrates stealth technology with high speed, advanced avionics, supermaneuverability, and multi-role capabilities, making it suitable for both air superiority and precision strike missions. It first flew in 2010 and officially entered limited service with the Russian Air Force in 2020. Built with a mix of radar-absorbing materials, internal weapons bays, and a carefully designed airframe that minimizes radar visibility, the Su-57 presents a low radar cross-section while retaining agility and range. It is capable of supercruise, meaning it can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. The current powerplant is the AL-41F1 engine, but Russia plans to upgrade it with the more powerful and efficient Izdeliye-30 engine in future production batches. This will improve acceleration, fuel efficiency, and maintenance cycles. Its aerodynamic frame includes thrust vectoring nozzles and a blended wing body configuration, providing excellent maneuverability in close combat. The fighter can perform complex maneuvers at high angles of attack, which gives it an edge in dogfighting scenarios. Internally, the aircraft is equipped with an advanced avionics suite that supports high levels of automation and pilot assistance. The cockpit includes a wide-angle HUD, large multifunction displays, and a modern helmet-mounted display system. Artificial intelligence integration helps with navigation, target prioritization, threat detection, and weapons control, reducing pilot workload during high-pressure engagements. One of the Su-57's major strengths is its sensor suite. The N036 Bilka AESA radar offers long-range detection, tracking of multiple targets, and resistance to jamming. Combined with infrared search and track (IRST) systems, electro-optical sensors, and side-mounted radars in the wings, the Su-57 provides 360-degree situational awareness. This allows it to engage stealth targets, low-flying aircraft, and cruise missiles with high efficiency. The radar is backed up by electronic warfare equipment that includes radar warning receivers, jammers, and decoys for increased survivability in hostile environments. Its data fusion capabilities allow multiple sensors to work together, giving the pilot a unified view of the battlefield. The Su-57 carries a wide range of weapons, both inside its internal bays and on external hardpoints when stealth is not a priority. It can launch beyond visual range air-to-air missiles like the R-77M, close-range dogfight missiles like the R-73, air-to-ground missiles, laser-guided bombs, and even hypersonic weapons. It is expected to carry the Kinjal hypersonic missile in the future for strategic strike roles. The internal 30mm cannon provides additional combat capability at close ranges. Its internal structure includes foam-filled fuel tanks for fire resistance, radar-absorbent coating for reduced detectability, and hardened flight systems that remain functional even after sustaining damage. The aircraft's heat signature is reduced through engine exhaust shielding and other thermal suppression features. These stealth and survivability features allow it to operate deep into contested airspace and survive modern integrated air defense systems. Despite its strengths, the Su-57 program has experienced delays due to funding constraints, development challenges, and limited production capabilities. As of mid-2025, fewer than 30 units are believed to be in service, though that number is expected to grow slowly. Still, Russia has actively marketed the Su-57 to international buyers, with countries like India and Algeria showing interest. Export versions are planned with some reduced technologies to comply with Russian security regulations. The jet has also reportedly seen limited deployment in Syria, where it underwent real-world testing under combat conditions. Russia is developing support drones like the S-70 Okhotnik B, which will operate in tandem with the Su-57 in future missions. These loyal wingmen will extend the fighter's range, increase situational awareness, and carry additional weapons. The Su-57 forms a key part of Russia's future air warfare strategy, combining stealth, speed, artificial intelligence, and multi-role flexibility in a single platform. While its production numbers are currently small compared to American fighters, The Su-57 demonstrates Russia's ability to build sophisticated aerospace technology and signals its long-term ambitions to remain a major power in the global military aviation landscape.